Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Lancaster County in south-central Pennsylvania.
There it is.
Southeastern Lebanon County in south-central Pennsylvania. Moving east at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 24 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, floaters and small craft could be thrown overboard. Storm watch means the grain craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Fort Washington, Tidal Basin, Reagan National Airport, Gunston Hall, Woodrow Wilson until 8 p.m. this evening. Reindeer, Lippert, Millersville, Willow Street, Mount Joy, New Holland, Manheim, East Petersburg, and Cornwall. This includes the Pennsylvania,
southeastern Lebanon County in south-central Pennsylvania until 5 p.m. At 4:14 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Avon to Lititz to Millersville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard. Thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Avon to Lititz to Millersville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard. 60 miles per hour wind gusts and vehicle size here.
severe thunderstorm warning.
Okay.
At 4:14 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from...
Oh, SVR for who? Chester.
60 miles per hour wind gusts.
The mile markers 265 to 295. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. Very heavy rainfall.
Flying and at 403
Willow Street, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and any-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
Power lines is possible.
And Lebanon.
Wyomissing, Hamburg, Fleetwood, Sitting Springs, Laurelville, Walmasworth, Wintersville, Robertson,
Shorts and swim to fine jewelry, all
Burnville, Strong Brown, Kemmelville, North Star.
Oh, great.
South Coatesville, Avondale, Modena, Mount Tucson, and more. For your protection of movement.
All right, I need your help. I need your help.
In addition to Baltimore Harbor until 5:45 p.m. At 4:20 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 16 nautical miles river to 14 nautical miles west of Back River and 18 nautical miles west of Fort Small State Park, flooding east at 25 knots. Repeating, a hazard. Wind gusts 34 knots or overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include... The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland. For storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia, nautical miles west of Fort Small State Park, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard. Wind gusts 34 thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Lancaster.
Okay.
Including the following locations: Little Britain, Christiana, Kirkwood, and Angleton. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. Very heavy rainfall is occurring with risks of severe thunderstorms and nearly to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. 7-foot no. Severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties: Lancaster, Pennsylvania. Waves are expected. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below. The National Weather Service in State College metal objects. The following is a flood watch statement. Flood watch remains in effect until midnight tonight.